how to change Instagram call ringtone. So if you want to change your Instagram call ringtone, then first thing you need to do is open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps section. Under apps, go with manage apps and search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram application. Now go with notifications. Under notifications, here you will have call notifications. So for example, here I have Instagram direct video call. So tap on the video call section and then you will have sound. So I'll go with sound, and here it will take you to the ringtone section, and you can just simply go and select any other ringtone that you would like to add to your Instagram call. Once you've selected, then it will change your Instagram call ringtone. Or you can also go with the audio call section. You can just simply scroll down and you will find audio call section, or you can also just simply go with the direct video call and change the call ringtone. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.